Okay, y'all remember the last time we were doing regressions? I about lost my mind because nobody's calculator ever works right. So I wanted to make a video. I've got my calculator. That's the TI-84, not the CE, because that's like my classroom calculator. So second plus sign 7, 1, 2, not 3, 2. Okay, we're ready. Now, step 1, turn diagnostics on. You go to mode. If you have a CE, you press down 10 times. If you have this one, press down 12. And you always got to turn stat diagnostics on to tell us what kind of relationship it is. You should go over right on. So, I wrote the instructions in this time, so let's go to stat, edit. So this is L1 or X. Let me get my numpad. Okay, got the numpad. Pause it. Ready. I got my numpad ready. L1, Y is L2, and it in a horizontal table, it's always X, Y like that. Now I know it's kind of I can't zoom in. It just let me situate myself here. All right. Here we go. All right. So you're going to put those in L1. I'll pause the video, get them all in. Okay, now go to the left. And put the Y's in. Okay, I'll pause it. Okay, so now we're going to make a rough sketch. I put the instructions on here. You press second, Y equals, enter, enter. I guess it's just one enter. Okay, now go to zoom and press number 9, zoom stat. It's my x-axis, which is minutes. And this is the temperature, Fahrenheit. Okay, so it's really hot, and then it's not making it. It's not looking like a line. It's looking like a curve. Okay, so to me, this is exponential decay. This is more like pre-calculus stuff, and I would zoom in, but I'd have to keep. Okay, yeah, I can do it. I'd have to keep zooming in and out. Let's try a little closer. Okay, now I'm not big on storing it. We'll put it in later. So go to I don't know why that red box is up there. Like it irritates me. All right. Whatevs. Okay. So now go stat, right to calc, and we're looking for EXP regression. And it's 0. So if you'd have pressed 0, okay, so my regression equation's in that form of y equals a times b to the x power. So the initial amount, which is here, it's telling us it's 168.262. Okay, now what b is like it's telling us what did we multiply the y's by to get the next one. So times 0.9. That makes this a decay. Okay, my R value, how closely is it? Okay, so the closer you get to -1, the stronger it is. So that's like really close to -0.96. So this means that there is a strong negative relationship between temperature Y and minutes. So there's a strong negative. The closer you get to -1, the better it is. R squared, it's the goodness of the fit. Okay, so up here we said X was minutes, and we said Y was temperature of the food. It was taken off. So a hot cup of soup was taken off the counter. So this means after 4 minutes, the temperature was 130.8 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, I thought the video was on, so we're almost there. Okay. Give me 1 second. Okay, here we are. Find the average rate of change from 4 minutes to 10 minutes. This is always on the state test. So we're going to take these 2 points. We're going to make an XY table. So I need 438.8 degrees. And I need 110.5. Okay, if you don't know how much that went down, you can just do 110.5 minus the original. So it's negative. And that took 6 minutes for it to drop that much. So change in Y over X. Which is -3.38, respectfully. 1. This means every 6 minutes remove from stove. The temp of soup drops 20.3 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh, I can't remember in the video if we went and looked at the regression equation. So if I go in and put in the regression equation, couldn't remember if it was in the part of the caret X, if it was in the part of the video that I forgot I wasn't recording. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's good enough for this problem. A certain type of bacteria doubles every hour. Okay, doubles. Okay, that's called the common ratio, or B. So B here is 2. Here's the exponential equation. Okay, so we're going to make a table. X is hours. Y is number of bacteria. So 1 day, that's 24 hours. 1 day, that's 24 hours. So what we end up doing is we're going to do 3 times 2 to the 24th, because there's 24 hours in a day. So hit second, quit. 3 3 parentheses 2 to the 24th. So that means if we kept multiplying 3 by 2 24 times,